Welcome back everyone, I'm Yorgos.
I'm Kat.
And this is Realistic DIYers.
So we're back for another review. It might be quite quick this one. So we have just recently done reviews, link below, to Bosch's impact drills. Now they do have one impact driver on the market with the green line, the home and garden DIY, which we tend to stick to. Where do we start with this one?
Well, we're going to compare it with a higher-end DeWalt professional impact driver, and we're going to see which one is better and which one is not. Starting off, they both have a 1/4-inch bit holder, so the way Kat just performed this, so the only way to do it is you hold this off, you put it in, and you're ready to go. The only job that they're doing is that they're drilling.
You got one job!
And they're quite good because they're drilling in a quite powerful way, much more powerful than combi drills. And this has to do with the mechanism. Now, this one has a variable speed trigger. You press it a little bit, it starts a little bit, and then the more you go, it goes faster. How about yours?
I'm there with you on that one.
Okay. Okay. This one has a brushless motor.
Nope, sorry.
It doesn't have a brushless motor. The batteries are universal DeWalt batteries that go with any of the other DeWalt tools. They have a battery indicator at the back.
Actually, we don't. It was on the impact drills, but on the impact driver we don't have a battery indicator.
Yeah.
But the batteries that you can attach will hold out for all the hours that you need to do for screwing jobs.
So this one has a light at the front so that you can see where you're screwing. This one doesn't.
Why did you get that one? I think I want to, yeah.
Back. Moving on, this one has a variable torque, like 1, 2, 3 different torque settings.
I don't see anything. There's no more buttons apart from your usual anti-clockwise, clockwise, forward and back.
And the power that it gives to you is 190, if I'm not wrong, Newton meters. Well, this one is 130 Newton meters. So it's not as powerful as this one. Now, how about we put it on a test in some softwood and some hardwood and see how they can do?
That's it, because you can talk all day, you can put all your money down, but actually it's when it comes to doing the actual job in hand, is it going to perform or not?
Let's go and check it out.
Wow.
There you go.
So there you have it. Did they both perform the job?
Yeah, they did.
Okay, so let's bring it down to price, a finer detail. Interestingly enough, this is on the market for a higher price. Now these are the higher end professional tools, so that took us by surprise. However, we were cheeky enough to get this on an offer, and it did line up. It was, so they're about 50 something pounds.
Yeah.
But on the market this is 70?
Around £70 or
yeah.
80
So
euros.
look out for those offers, Black Friday offers, 20% off, Prime Day offers, and you can grab it. Now, if you're thinking long term, of course, financing, setting up yourself up with DeWalt product line is not something that's easily accessible, whereas Bosch, they are totally directed at DIYers, home buyers, first-time DIYers, and you can set yourself up with a semi-professional line. So financing DeWalt tool after tool after tool, that's where you'll see the difference in price, not necessarily just with this one.
So all in all, if you're in the line of the all-for-one battery alliance from Bosch, our recommendation is that you get this one, but also you get the combi drill or a driller from Bosch, if you're working with timber, you pre-hold the wood so that the wood will not split, and then you drive the screws with the impact driver and it will drive them quite fast. You can also choose to go with some special screws that are a little bit more expensive, like the ones that we used in the demonstration, and they will not snap, and it can take all the power that the impact driver is giving to the screw.
So again, an honest review, a tool we've bought ourselves and a tool we've borrowed from our mate up the road. It was interesting and hopefully it's been insightful for you. So
in order to watch our next reviews and things we do around the house, please consider liking, subscribing, and then hit the bell and all so that you can see all our videos at any time we post them. Thank you very much for watching, and
another one coming soon. Battery which will do all your screwing needs.
But you can change it to...
Sounds funny.
But you can...
I think it was shit what we just did.
Yes, it was terrible.